Alright, there's something inside my glove. The little guy was flapping around inside the milk house, and he got scared. And I could tell he's been in that milk house flapping around for a while. And he crawled inside my glove. You see him? He's been in there for like 5 minutes now. Scared. It's a little birdie. How cool is this? Poor little fucker is very scared. So we're gonna get him out of my glove. We're gonna calm him down and we're gonna release him. He's really in there. Come here, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, let go of that. Come on. Alright. He's got a hold of the glove. I don't want to hurt him. Let go of it. Now I got a bird loose in my rig. So, let us dig for birdie. Is he in there? Good little bird. Alright. I can't bend like this because I'm fat. Come on, bird. Come on, bird. Yep. Hey, bird. Alright. The coloring or adjustment here won't do it. Come on. There we go. We got a bird. A very scared bird. Cute though, huh? So why don't we let you go? You didn't shit at my glove, did you? Alright. Good bird. There you go.